name's Christopher Rushton.
Hi, I'm Ben.
My name is Kobe.
I'm Ben, General Manager of Ether Group.
I drive a truck and dog for Ether Group.
I'm a first year apprentice heavy diesel mechanic.
Been driving here for a couple of years now and glad to be part of the team. Knowing that I've done a thorough pre-start for the day and a post-check as well at the end of the day, and knowing that the vehicles are well maintained.
Having the big mirrors
The cameras in the truck,
so I can see the lanes either side of me, behind me.
being high up, you can see above the traffic.
You've got a lot better vision of the road, and I think that's probably what makes me feel safest.
We always make sure that the trucks are in top condition so they're safe for everyone on the road and the driver himself.
I'm aware of other vehicles more so on the road.
Keep to the speed limit and be aware of what's around me.
Usually the trucks get back at 5:30. That gives us some time to go over every single truck in the yard.
Vehicles are fitted with eye-face and Batman, so drivers know the most direct route using the appropriate roads to get to and from tip locations.
If I'm changing lanes, I make sure I give plenty of notice. I use my indicator for a long time.
Making sure that our loads are restrained and within weight.
If we find a problem with the truck, we'll have it parked up on the pad and work on it.
I like this one because I wish people would realise that the truck leaves a gap in front because we need a lot of room to stop.
Keep your distance and be aware of the other drivers on the road.
When cars pull in front of a truck, they've got to appreciate that a truck does take longer to come to a stop.
When the traffic's heavy and you're going up a hill and someone ducks in front of you and you've got to brake, it takes away all your momentum. When your momentum's gone, you've got to gear down and build up momentum, so the people behind you have to wait for you to build up speed, so then they keep coming around you and then duck it in front of you again, and it's a domino effect.
We never send any bad trucks out. Everyone's good, safe. Yeah, that's what we do.